Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, ang kasama nyo sa inyong online distance learning journey na magbibigay kaalaman sa mga online learning tools. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-hit lang ang bell ng ating YouTube channel para ma-update tayo sa mga bagong mga learning videos. Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po again dito sa Learning Pal. Ngayon po ay i-share ko lang po itong napakagandang seminar workshop hatid po ng Philippine Normal University at ng PNU graduate students, publication and promotions. So makikita po natin dito sa kanilang pong post na ang Philippine Normal University po ay magkakaroon po ng seminar workshop na ang title po is Second National Graduate Teacher Education Seminar Workshop, at ang theme po ay Teacher Upskilling in the New Normal, Enriching Pedagogy, Theory and Practice. Ito pong darating na April 30, May 1 at May 2. So ito pong event ay sponsored ng PNU Graduate Student Council at ng International Organization of Educators and Researchers Incorporated. Na paano makakapag-register? So i-click lang po natin tong link na nakikita po sa page po ng PNU graduate students na ilalagay ko po sa description po ng video na ito. So andun po yung link. So click po natin tong registration. Pag nasa loob na po, nakikita po natin yung kanilang objectives ng kanilang seminar workshop. And then ito po ay free 3 days with certificate for all participants, both Zoom and live. And then kung gusto po natin na ang ating pong certificate ay may CPD units, magbabayad lang po tayo na 150 pesos. Pero ito po ay optional. So ilagay po natin yung ating email address. Pag nalagay na po natin yung ating email address, click na po natin itong next. So, ilagay po natin yung ating pangalan. So, una po is yung ating first name, middle initial, at surname. Ating organization or yung school po natin. Sunod po yung ating contact number at ang ating pong email address. Ang ating pong PRC license number. Ilagay rin po natin yung expiration date po ng ating PRC license. At kung saan po tayo umattend ng ating graduate school at kung ito po ay ongoing. And then ang ating pong program or course specialization. Tapos po click po natin tong next. And then meron pong question rito na, do you want to request for certificate with CPD? And then yung ating pong ang ating pong name. Pag okay na po lahat, i-click po natin tong submit. So nakapag-register na po tayo sa Second National Graduate Teacher Education Seminar Workshop hatid po ng Philippine Normal University. So, sana po i-grab po natin itong opportunity at tayo po sana ay maka-attend. At kung nagustuhan po natin itong video, don't forget po to like and subscribe for more seminar and webinar workshop at yung mga CPD seminars po. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video, please like and share. And comment kung may mga questions po tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po. For more learning videos and tutorials, CPD seminars and webinars, DepEd news and updates, and new trends in education, subscribe and hit the notification bell of our YouTube channel. For more learning resources, join my Facebook group. Stay safe po and God bless. Happy learning, pals!